Today, I'm not doing wood turning, I'm doing a public service announcement. We're in the kitchen, and it's not because of my wife's cooking. She does wonderful cooking. The problem is our old GE Profile Performance refrigerator. And the issue I've been having, if you look right up here, you can see different height, and then when you do this, it makes it click, so the door doesn't want to shut. It's kind of a big problem. So I looked all over the internet, and I kept finding stuff that said, oh, you have to take the hinges off, you have to do this, have to do everything. And it's getting kind of complicated. And so, well, anyway, I tracked it down, finally found out what the part number was. This thing's old. It's probably about between 20 and 15 years. And so guess what? GE doesn't make the part anymore. Nobody makes the part. Nobody has the part. So I ran into the issue of what am I going to do? So I found a part on eBay that kind of looked like it'd work, but I don't know if it's going to work. So I came down here to inspect this. Oh, hi, Leave It. How you doing? You can make an appearance? Yeah, here on camera. Okay, so what I did is I got down here. I've already removed the grill that covers the front. And the longest part of this entire project was not fixing this thing. It was cleaning this thing so I could do a video to show you how I fixed this thing. Okay, so if you look down here, what you'll see is we have a shaft here. We have, this is the flange that holds everything on here, and then right up in here is the little plastic thingy they said that's worn out, and it's collapsed down so the door is further down than it needs to be. And that plastic thing is about an inch long, so I guess through wear and tear they say it falls apart. And so the option that they did give you is that you could stack something underneath the door here, hold it in position, and take this flange off, and then you could lower this down. And I was going to try to actually put in a bunch of washers or something here to raise it up, because the thing that I ordered off eBay might fit, might not, but it's 2 weeks out, so I can't wait that long. So anyway, I'm looking at this, and I'm about ready to take the dive and do that, and I thought, wait a minute, why is this shaft threaded? Well, I looked up underneath, and it's threaded because it's an Allen bolt, and the threads go into this. So rather than doing all this mumbo jumbo everybody says you have to do, all you have to do is get yourself an Allen wrench, put it up in here, and screw this, and it raises the door up. Okay, now you can see we've raised this up considerably, at least a half of an inch. And when you look up here, look, we're even on the door now. So that's pretty cool. And no annoying click. Works perfectly. Simple, effective, didn't take any time. Except working an Allen wrench from that angle is really kind of a pain in the butt. But anyway, that's how you fix a hinge on a GE Profile refrigerator. That's it for this public service announcement.